Hi, and welcome to day one of the 13 Days of Python Programming Challenge. Today, our objective will be to understand basic syntax, variables, data type, and functions by creating a temperature converter. Okay, and to go straight away, so first of all, we are going to define a function. Okay. Fahrenheit. Sorry, there again, the return. Celsius times 9. Sorry, sign is like 0.5 plus 32. Yeah. So and then next we're going to get the user input. So now to get the user inputs, enter temperature in Celsius. And next we're going to convert our temperature, right, using the function we just created. So Fahrenheit equals to our Celsius to Fahrenheit converter. And we're going to put in the user input here. And then we can say, I'm going to print out the results. Okay. And we are going to be using the F string. Okay. Celsius. Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Okay, I think, let's see. So let's say we're going to enter the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit 20. All right, so we entered 20, and the Fahrenheit value of that is 68.0. So just a little bit of explanation of what this code does. So first of all, we defined our function. It says Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then we provided the parameter. This function actually accepts one parameter, which is Celsius. We provided here. All right, and then it calculates the Fahrenheit equivalent using the formula Celsius times 9 divided by 5, then plus 32. And that value is being returned when the function is called. So and then next we have to get the user input. Okay. And then we actually store that in the floats data type, okay, using the inputs. Right? And then next we are creating a variable that hosts the result that comes from our Celsius to Fahrenheit converter. Then of course, this function is called with the user provided Celsius temperature. The result is stored at the Fahrenheit. Okay, and then finally we print out the results here. Okay, let's try one more time. So let me give 40. And so we have Fahrenheit as 104.0. And so that's a simple function to convert our Celsius to Fahrenheit. Thank you.